Day one. I'm here all by myself. Trying to survive out here in the wild. There's nowhere else to go. My car broke down. So, with the remaining life on my battery, I'm going to try and survive out here on my own without the police or help. The first step is to find firewood because, as you can see, I already have a pretty good shelter and there's no sign of rain, though I don't know about creatures in this part. It took me a couple hours, but I finally found some firewood. So I'm gonna light that up and survive the night, hopefully. It's starting to get really dark now, and I'll have to find some supplies to start the fire, but there's no sight of survivors out here. I think I'm all alone.
Hey, beautiful day, isn't it?
I guess I'm not alone. But still, I have to find something to light the fire. I figured out how to start the fire. It's got an engine in it. Hold on. There we go. It's a nice, good fire. Just sit down. Enjoy it.
Oh, hey, you, kid. Your mom's looking for you. She's over there in the parking lot area. Have a good day.
Thanks. Dang it. Why does that lady keep coming by here? I found some shelter for the night. Someone left it here previously, so I took the liberty and started using it myself. So, it's a lucky find. Glad I didn't have to stay in that clearing I found in the forest alone. I'm still alone, but I still have to have a bed though, because this is bullcrap. Look at that. I'm gonna have these up my ass the next morning. Morning already? Well, today I'm gonna build a shelter. Here it is. It's perfect. Well, time to go scavenge for some stuff I can use for my shelter. You stay there, fire. Well, I got the first part done on my shelter. Well, it's kind of crappy, but I finished most of it. It should give me a little bit of shelter for tonight. And I have my fire over there. Yeah, so I think I'll go and make a weapon of some sort later and hunt for meat, because I am starting to get hungry, really hungry. It's been 3 days without any food, but I did find a source of hydration, so I'm good on that for now. Alright, well, I've just found a spear, and hopefully I can go and kill a couple squirrels tonight and start up my fire engine, and I should be good to go. Trick shot! Let's hope I got a squirrel. Turns out that trick shot was real lucky and I caught a squirrel, so I'm putting it on the fire and I'm gonna call it a night. starting to get dark, so I'm gonna call it a night. And I gotta find something to put the fire out with, but other than that, I don't see any sign of getting out of this forest anytime soon.